Hey everyone, I am Mr. Helper. In today's video, I am going to show you how to add games in NVIDIA GeForce Experience. So let's get started. Open your NVIDIA GeForce Experience. So as you can see, Fortnite, Grand Theft Auto 5, PUBG Lite is in the list, but Just Cause 2 is not in the list. Okay, so let's add it. First thing first, we have to check for the update. Is there any update of this GeForce Experience or not? To check it, we have to click on check for updates. In my case, there is no update. If in your case there is an update, then make sure to update it and then follow the steps. Okay, now get back to home. Then click on this gear icon, which is settings. Now click on games. And now click on scan now. This might take a while to scan the games, so please keep patience. And if your game is still not been added to the GeForce Experience, then what you have to do is click on this add button. Now go to the location where have you installed your game. In my case, I have installed it on my P drive, program files x86. Under this folder, as you can see, there is a folder named as Just Cause 2. Okay, so what you have to do is just go up and select the program files as well as program files x86. This will gonna help you a lot for future purpose. Like whenever you install a new game in this same drive, same local disk, then you didn't have to scan again and again. It will automatically gonna do it for you. So select it, select the folder, and then once again select the program files. Now what it will do is it will automatically gonna scan your P drive program files x86 as well as P drive program files and C drive program files. Now what you have to do is click on scan now. And as you can see, scanning and Just Cause 2 has been added. It is still scanning for any other games. Anyway, so this is how you can add your games on your GeForce Experience. Okay, there's one more thing. Sometimes we do a small mistakes, like by mistake we click on this hide game. Now no matter how many times you scan, it will not gonna show you in the list because you have hidden it. As you can see, 4 games found, but it is showing only 3 games. So how to get back that last game also? What you have to do is click on this, and right here you will going to find hidden. Click on it, and right over here you can see that your game is listed over here. Now what you have to do is click on show games, and once again click on here filter and click on all. Okay, now I am assuming that you have understand how to add your games, but wait, there is one more thing that I want to show you which is very important. Okay, as you can see, this is the list of all the games which NVIDIA GeForce Experience supports. If you scroll down a little bit, you will gonna see in Assassin's Creed section, Assassin's Creed 1, Assassin's Creed 2, Assassin's Creed Brotherhood is not listed over here. That means no matter how many times you try to add those games, GeForce Experience will not gonna add it on its program. Same case with Grand Theft Auto Vice City. Let me show you. As you can see, Grand Theft Auto Vice City is not listed over here. Grand Theft Auto 3 is not listed over here. Same case with Hitman. Hitman Blood Money, Hitman Silent Assassins is not listed over here. So you have to think about this before adding it. Okay, if you are thinking how did I got all the list of games which NVIDIA GeForce Experience supports, don't worry, I'm gonna provide you my website link. In description box below you will going to find my website link. Just go there and there I will gonna provide you all the list of games. Okay, so I believe that's all for today. I hope you find this video informative. If you do, then make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press that bell button so that you get notified whenever I make new videos for you. And one more thing, I have a gaming channel named as Papno in which I do regular stream. So if you are interested, then make sure to go to the description of this video. there will be my channel link, my gaming channel link, which is Papno. And it is a request guys, I really appreciate if you go there and subscribe my channel, because I am targeting to get 250 subscribers on that channel. So please help me to reach that goal as soon as possible. Okay, so it's time to say goodbye. So until then, take care, have a nice day, and I will see you next time. Bye.